Hey there and welcome to Gartenzeiler. This time we're comparing 4 garden tools for you, all designed to remove weeds. You will learn how each device works and in which areas they can be used. Have fun watching. Let's take a look at the Gardena shovel first. She is 14 centimeters wide and made of high-quality steel coated with Duraplast. The shovel is a component of Gardena's combi system and necessitates an extra handle. Therefore, if you do not possess a Gardena handle, you will need to purchase one. By moving back and forth on the surface of the earth, the plants are separated from their roots. The weed hoe from Wolf-Garten has a working width of 15 centimeters and an extra sharp interchangeable blade. She belongs to the multi-star plug system from Wolf-Garten and also requires a handle. Even with the hoe, the plants are yanked from their roots by pulling the hoe in short movements across the bed. The weed puller from Suspense is equipped with 2 sharp edges, allowing you to effectively remove weeds by simply moving the garden tool back and forth. The weeder has a steel blade with a working width of 14 centimeters and is part of Suspense's quick-fit plug-in system. Here too, you gotta buy a handle separately if you don't already have one. The hoe is moved back and forth on the bed so that the 2 sharp edges can cut the weeds. The widest is the Gardena hoe with a working width of 16.5 centimeters. She also belongs to the combi system just like the shovel, and she needs a handle as well. Utilizing the hoe on a rail is similar to employing a garden hoe. She drags it through the bed, making short, choppy movements piece by piece, systematically tending to the soil. First, we tested all the devices in a heavily overgrown bed. The hoe removed all the weeds, even though the job was probably a bit tough due to the hard ground. You could easily remove the plants by scraping them off with the weed hoe. The sharp blade had no difficulty dealing with the solid ground. Because the weed puller is sharp on both sides, it removed the weeds particularly effectively. The scythe hoe also effortlessly worked its way through the bed with its sharp blade, easily cutting down the weeds. Then we tested the devices again in a different way. The shovel is particularly suitable for the sidewalk. Without scratching the ground excessively, she effortlessly removes the weeds. Even under a layer of gravel, you can use it to weed out the weeds. The sharp blade of the weed hoe easily separates the plant from its roots. During the process, the remaining fragments are gathered. The herbicide successfully eliminates the weeds on the sidewalk, but its efficacy is reduced because of the curved shape of its blade. The sidewalk is where the iron rail hoe really shines. With the 2 handles and the short blade, the force is particularly well tolerated. Path cleared of weeds fast with that. Now let's get to our conclusion. Depending on the situation, a different gardening tool is better suited to successfully remove the weeds. The best tool for weeding beds is the weed jeter because it works particularly effectively with its 2 sharpened sides. The shovel is effective for paths, particularly when there is a remaining layer of gravel or loose material on the surface. The bow pull hoe has also proven to be particularly strong for sidewalks. Thanks to its strong power transmission, the path is easily cleared of weeds. Ultimately, we must acknowledge that all 4 garden tools are effective for weeding, and you cannot truly make an incorrect decision as long as you utilize the appropriate tool for its designated purpose. We hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If so, feel free to leave us a subscription so you don't miss any more videos. Check out our other product tests and comparisons as well. That's how you guys always stay up to date. Want to learn more? Then feel free to check out our garden magazine at www.gardenzeiler.de. See you next time.